Yeah, man, me there, man, to the Sunday, and I test out the machine to see what I go on and way up to. You get what I say? So me just want to stay tuned and watch what I go on, isn't it? You know how to sketch my finger? When we find a problem, and the problem can be solved. You understand? When we feel like I problem, if we put piece of shoulder now, right as a piece of wood, it will be good. You get what I say? It's like that. With a machine. Isn't it? Yeah. I hate that, but I just simple that. We have to do. See, coconut them there in there so now. So it a go on good enough. You get what I say? But right up here, so, we need to put piece of board now right across so. You understand? I say again, you know, sometimes when you're inventing, you know, really invent right and proper way, you invent it. But when you start working out, you see one is shorter. So, it's shorter piece of board right as so now. And we need to put on the piece of board. You see that?